Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, we are going to see how to deploy a basic HTML static website in AWS S3 static hosting. Okay, the console page look like this. In the top left corner, you have to search S3. The S3 service appear. You have to select that. Then the main page appears like this. In this, you have to click create bucket. Then left this in general purpose. You have to give a bucket name that must be universally unique. Okay, I am giving a stack with B. Then keep this as default. We are using this S3 bucket now for static website hosting, so it must be public. So we have to uncheck this and acknowledge this. Then keep others in default. Then click create. Bucket is created and listed here. To open bucket created, you have to click the name here. Then upload our project files. Okay, you can add files by clicking add files. If you have multiple files and folders, you can select folder 2. I am using files, so I am clicking add files. Then my project is in this folder. These two files only, indents and error selected. In the bottom, after selecting the files, there is one upload will appear. You have to click that and wait until uploading. Okay, files are uploaded. Then click close in the top right corner. Close. Okay, files are uploaded. Then click on properties and scroll to the bottom. There is one option static website hosting disabled by default. Okay, you have to enable that. To enable, you have to click edit, then enable, and you have to name the root file index.html. After adding this file, if you needed, you can add error file too. Okay, .html. Then scroll down and save changes. Okay, then in the properties, you have to scroll to the bottom. There is one URL appear. You have to click that. There will be no permission to access that page. Access denied. The reason is that we didn't give any policy. Okay, you have to give policies like get permission. In the permission tab, there is one option like bucket policy. Okay, no policy to display here, so we have to edit that. Then click on add statement and search S3 service there and click that and check all actions. Then you have to edit the principal and type double quotes and star. In the resource, you have to remove that square brackets and place Amazon resource name. Copy it from here and paste there and put slash and star. Okay, after you done this, scroll down to the bottom and save the changes. Okay, then you have to go back to the bucket, then click on properties. In the bottom, when you click this URL, the index page will appear. Okay, if anyone tried another other than this URL, like next, okay, the error page will appear like this. Uh, you can type anything, this error page will be appear. Okay,